how you can chat with someone on Reddit. So this is really simple, so I'll just show you guys how to do it. First, open up your web browser and just go to your Reddit. Open up your Reddit and make sure that you're logged in. Now, if you're not added with the person that you want to chat to, you can just search for their username and it should pop up. So just go to people right here, and there you go. I'm going to talk to the muted boss, and just click on follow and tap on chat. So after you've gone to the chat section, uh, a new tab will open up right here, and you can just send an invite saying hi. And after you've said hi, you can even send them gifs right here. You can send them pictures and you can send them emojis too. So that is all on how you can chat with your friends or someone in Reddit. And I hope you like the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.